Ready to supercharge your email marketing and finally ditch those tedious manual tasks? Let's dive straight into connecting Klaviyo to Zapier. First things first, head over to Zapier and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's super easy to sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click that big inviting Create Zap button to kick things off. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll need to choose a trigger app. This is the app that will kick off your automation. For example, if you want to trigger an email when someone makes a purchase in Shopify, you'd search for and select Shopify. Next, Zapier will prompt you to choose a specific trigger event. In our Shopify example, you might select New Order. Configure the trigger with the necessary details. We'll likely need to connect your Shopify account at this stage, so follow the on-screen instructions. Now, it's time to connect Klaviyo. In the Action section of your Zap, search for Klaviyo and select it. You'll then be presented with a list of actions you can perform in Klaviyo. Popular choices include add subscriber to list, update profile, or even send email. Choose the action that best suits your automation goal. Now, connect your Klaviyo account. Zapier will ask for your Klaviyo API key. To find this, head over to your Klaviyo account, go to Settings, then API Keys, and copy your private API key. Paste it into Zapier and click Yes. Continue. You'll need to configure the Klaviyo action by mapping data from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in Klaviyo. For example, you might map the customer's email address from Shopify to the email field in Klaviyo. Finally, test your Zap. Click the Test button to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, congratulations! You've successfully connected Klaviyo to Zapier. All that's left to do is name your Zap and turn it on. Now you can watch your email marketing soar, all on autopilot. Enjoy.